Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage information inside the quotes section. So this is going to pertain to quotes that you have recently created or quotes that you've been storing within 360. So let's start by going to our quotes dashboard, which is found by clicking the quotes link on your navigation bar. And that's the page that I'm on right now. So as we arrive here, let's just take a look and look at the information that's being presented. As you can imagine, over a longer period of time, there's going to be quite a bit of information that goes in here between all of the quotes that get submitted and sold and converted into jobs. And so there's a lot of volume of data that can be sorted through. So for that reason, we've created some tools to help you find information that you might be looking for. By default, the list shows information in a chronological order by created date. But let's say that you want to sort this and you want to sort this by alpha list by customer. So look across the headers here and you will see each of the colored blue headers represent a sortable column. So let's say if I want to look by alpha customer, I'd select my customer, and now my quotes are all organized by alpha listing with customer priority. And the same goes for status, count rep, and so on. I'm going to leave my list like this and then show you on the right here we have filters put in place, and this is going to help you isolate certain groups of information. So let's say that I'm looking at all my quotes here and I only want to look at the ones that I have submitted. I can use my filters over here, select submitted, select my go, and now I'm only looking at the quotes that are submitted. So let's go back to looking at everything again. I also want to show you how to find something using the search device. This same tool is available in your customers and jobs section, so I'm also going to show that as well in those videos. But for right now, let's say that we are trying to find something. Number sequences create millions of different combinations. So we've created a filter in your search here, and that allows you to select what you are looking for. So if I put a name, I can refine my search to be by address, by customer name, job name, my quote contact, lots of different variables that I can put in here. In this case, I'm going to say that I want to look by address. Hit my search up here. And as you can see, it's going to pull up the quotes that utilize the address that I have entered here. Okay, let's try a different one. Let's look for Bill. And I'm going to refine my search to be by customer name. You'll see Bill Brown is my customer. It's found that using the search here. Now, something important, when you are done searching and done with this data, you're going to want to clear your search. The reason is, let me demonstrate. I'm going to go over to my customer section. I'm going to come back to my quotes section. Notice that I only have one up here, and that is because my search is still saved. So when you're done searching, clear your search and then move on. So let's go inside the details here. Let's pick one of our quotes. This one looks good. And let's look around. Now we've already, in this case, I believe we've already submitted this quote. But let's say that I wanted to edit one of the items. Click on the blue link. Go in and change. I can also change the price. Let's say that I look at $235 and I say, you know, I think I like this better at $250. And now you can see my information is all set. I've made my change, I've edited my quote, I'm ready to go. If I want to upload a document to this quote, I can go to my Documents tab, upload a file from my hard drive. This also works with iPads and most tablets and most smartphones. And of course, the messages, which we demonstrated in the how to send a quote, how to create a quote video. I'm going to leave out the Requirements tab and demonstrate that when I show you how to create jobs and manage jobs. It applies a lot more there, and any information that you see in that video will spill backwards to this one and be consistent. One other item to note here in my quotes section. Let's pick out a quote, any one, this one again. This little pull tab over here. Another convenient place for me to change the status. Assign work to this quote to somebody that's in my distribution list. Create a copy, create a vision, and delete the quote. These two items are covered in their own video, and delete is pretty self-explanatory. We always recommend before deleting a quote or job that you consult your supervisor or the primary administrator for the application. Thank you for looking. Good luck with managing quotes and creating quotes. We'll see you on the next video.